That is crazy. It's exactly 12 o'clock, 14th of August, and look at the fireworks. Full moon and beautiful fireworks. That is amazing. Whoa. Spain, bro. That is crazy. Look how big they are. If you can't see, that's a sea behind me, and all those lights are boats. It's pretty cool. They're massive. Woof. Beautiful. Woo! Comment down below which is your favourite firework. I really like the explosions. Full moon. The fireworks are not ending. That's beautiful. Boom! Boom! 50,000 people attending these fireworks in Altea right now. 50,000. That is crazy. So there's 50,000 people right now over there near the fireworks. It's beautiful. Ooh, that's a big one. Boom!
Do you see the reflection on the water?
Yeah, you can actually see the island. Poof, that is loud. These ones are big.
Ooh, I love this one.
Fun fact, dogs are scared of fireworks because of their sound. It's very loud. There's so many boats on the water right now, on the sea, and the lights, and full moon. I can smell the gunpowder. Look Guys, do you see the small lights near the sea? Those are boats. Oh my god, there's thunder. There's thunder. I just saw some thunder. Bro, I just saw some thunder. Whoa. That is crazy.
You mean lightning?
Lightning, yeah. Oh. The lights are incredible. Comment down below how many fireworks you saw. Oh, look at the lava. Circles. Different shapes. Oh,
Smiley face.
yeah. Emoji.
Star.
That is cool.
What's that?
Stars. Circles. I like the big. Oh, the big fireworks. They're mostly green and red. Oh,
Wow, these are beautiful.
yeah, the ones with the blue and the red and yellow.
Aww.
Massive. Whoa! Oh my god! This is crazy. Did you see that? The green. That colorway. It's crazy. This is gonna be good. Oh, it's average. It reminds me of New Year. This happens once a year. 12 o'clock. Boom. The green is incredible. Trees, flowers. Do you see the small ones at the bottom? Wow. Oh, these are big. Guys, comment down below how much you think these fireworks cost for. How much all these fireworks cost. I think at least 500 grand. It's lovely. so many fireworks, I'm just getting bored. Wow, it's big. Whoa, that is big. Big boy. Oh.
Look at those.
The
Those
small
are
ones.
flying.
They're flares. They're small flares. I don't like those ones, a bit
I
boring.
love them. Look at them. They're like they're flying.
The big ones are better. Yeah. They're like sparks. Imagine how loud it is for the boats on the sea. There's at least hundreds of boats on the sea right now. They're still going. Oh, they're going fast. They're going faster. Getting faster, faster. Oh, big ones. Bang. They're not that loud actually. It's quite weird. Wow. These ones are beautiful, but they don't have no sound. They're really quiet. Wow. 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 Oh, they're gone. Are they coming back?
Arian, look at those. So beautiful.
What them? They're golden. Come on, change the color. I guarantee the next, the fireworks after these ones are gonna be red and blue. Yeah.
Oh, it's
I
red.
told you it's red. Now it's gonna be blue. You ready? Red, and now it's blue. Come on, blue, blue. Oh, it's a crazy effect. I told you, it's blue. Do you see it? I told you.
No. Yep.
I told you. If you see in the bottom, it's blue. Red, green. The 4 primary colors they're using is red, blue, green, and gold. Wow. It's a special night in Altea. Wow, look at the bottom ones. Look at those. That's incredible. Wow. that is so bright. They're blazing. I think that's the end, to be honest. Oh, there's the last one. Is that the end?
It's going on for 20 minutes, isn't it?
Yeah. A long one.
Oh, are you lightning?
It's really weird. On the right side of me, there's lightning. Yeah. Do you hear the clapping, guys?
Yeah.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy fireworks night. And have a good day. Peace out. Bye. It's beautiful.